Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. I literally just woke up and saw the price of ADA above $3, and that is just fantastic. I just want to update you about what happened. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price quickly before we go to ADA. I won't take long with Bitcoin because here something has happened as well. So what I find remarkable is that Bitcoin has just gone up to 49,400 or 500. And you can see it's still below that high here of 50,500. But when we were back here, Cardano was below $3. So Bitcoin is now here at just $1,000 lower, but Cardano has made it above $3. So I won't talk about Bitcoin any longer because Cardano is really what deserves our attention. Now, quick summary. Yesterday I said we were in this descending triangle. So yesterday morning I talked about that. I said, look guys, we're moving closer to that horizontal support line, looking bearish, looking rather bearish, and these descending triangles could break to the downside. But luckily what it went up and broke that higher resistance level. When I then updated you somewhere here, that was late yesterday, really late here in the UK. And I said, this is looking now really bullish. We broke that descending triangle. So we always need to react when something's changing, when patterns are changing. And luckily I did that video because now we broke above $3. So what did I say yesterday? I said we were above all moving averages, looking bullish again. The oscillators indicators looking good, and we had to get above the 292, 295 and 297, and we are above all of them. This is this this basically resistance zone that we broke through. And guys, I've been talking about us making new highs before the 12th of September for weeks now, and we've made it. I strongly believe that we would see the $3 before the hard fork, and we did. I showed to you all the three waves that we saw before the last merry hard fork, and the last one was still outstanding, and we've now hopefully been approaching it. But you know, we need to wait if we can hold that $3. At the moment it looks like that because we can see the first retest, and we seem to have tested successfully because just here where these $3 are, we can see that lower shadow of the candle come out, and it was rejected again. So it looks like we are going to successfully test this. I'm so happy that I didn't sell any of my ADA. I'm so happy that I do dollar cost averaging, that I just accumulate. And you know guys, even if we drop below $3 again now, then it doesn't matter because we've just made a new all-time high, and it just pushes us into new territory. It just means we've just broken that important support resistance level here. I hope the support will hold, and let's take a quick look at the 4-hour chart because it really just happened. So 4-hour chart, we can see here where we are now. So that 4-hour chart has closed above $3. So if you want to define some price targets, we could use the Fibonacci retracement and extension levels, and I talked about that in the previous video. So we go to the low of that previous swing low, we go to the high, and we already took a look at them. And what we can see, we did it here. Where am I? Here. So what we can see that these were validated because we moved back to the 0.5 Fibonacci, so we retraced back, and now we are heading toward this first price target above $3, which is 308, and we've got 314, 325 and 243, whereas in the first instance always like the 1.382 is important and the 1.618. We need to see if that is playing out, but I'm quite confident because we have seen the price dropping back to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. So it was kind of validated. So let's see what happens. But very exciting times again for Cardano holders. I mean, especially if you just wake up and you see the price above $3. Guys, there'll be another update video later today. I can probably only do one more, not two more, because I'm still in a meeting here. I told you yesterday that I had to go away. Normally you've got 3 update videos per day. I think I can only do 2 today again, 1 now and 1 this evening, which means like in probably like 12 hours. But yeah, just want to update you. It's all playing out. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look at the daily chart. And again, I didn't really have time to look very closely at the chart again because I just woke up, but I just want to update you. But we can see these 3 waves now forming. First one, second one, and the third one was still outstanding. Well, in previous videos, I talked to you from a macro level where we could go, and that looked really nice. We had, I think I did show you last time when we went here to the last hard fork and we take a look at where we were. That was 1 wave, 2 waves, and we had the third wave actually. At its peak, we made, I think, around 50%, we said, from where we were here. Down here after the retracement, we made another jump of 50%. And I'm not sure if you can find that video, but I did say it in a previous video. So that was an assumption that we made, that we could see here from the retracement where we were now. We go 50% up. That could be our price target before the hard fork, and that is pretty much the 420, 55%. 420. I've been talking on this channel about us reaching possibly 450 at least this year since I started the channel. 450, that could possibly even be before the hard fork, but it would be quite ambitious doing that in just a few days. But yeah, all the people who talked about us dropping in September, I wasn't really a supporter of that. But you know, it can still happen. Of course it can. But at the moment, it's looking the opposite. Now for Bitcoin next targets, we need to get above this 50,500. What is nice, we've made it above all these highs now, yeah, on the 4-hour chart. What we need to do is now the next level, and we're stuck there currently. The next level is here you can see it here, where we are now, the 49,800. That was another high here. We need to get above that, and then we've got the 50,500. If we are above that, then we can tackle the 52,000. And Cardano is just amazing, guys, amazing. I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna upload now because it's all playing out from a macro point of view. What we said, new all-time highs, a rally until the hard fork. But be aware that there could be a little bit of buy the rumors, sell the news going on. So when the hard fork actually takes place, that like last time when we had the Merry hard fork, that the price will drop a little bit. That doesn't matter long term. I will remain a holder of ADA. I'm not going to sell them in the next few years. So I'm always accumulating, always staking. And the good thing is if you're staking, then you are participating in price increases anyway, because all the ADA you're getting as rewards, they have higher values as well. Okay, hope you liked that video. Hope you liked that timely update. If you did, please smash the like button. If you want to learn about technical analysis, check my second channel out. You can find the link in the description. Here I talk about and teach technical analysis. Sorry, it's still early. And if you want to subscribe, that would be great as well. See you later today. Bye.